So this is my first shortcut tutorial. We're going to be sending happy birthdays to everyone in our contact. So I just made Chris Pratt right here for today. And let's pop over to the Shortcuts app. We're going to go ahead and create a shortcut. And the first thing we're going to want to do is find all the calendar events for today. So that's going to be find calendar events in our shortcuts search. And we only want to get the ones for today. And calendar is birthday. So after that, basically what we're going to do is go through every single calendar event. So here we have Chris Pratt, but we're going to want to do it for each of them. So we're going to search for repeat, and we're going to repeat with each calendar title because that gives us enough information to send those happy birthdays. So if we run that real quick, we'll get each of the titles, Chris Pratt's birthday. There we go. And here, as we can see, we have Chris Pratt's name, which we can use to create a contact from. And separating his name from the rest of it is this little apostrophe. So let's go ahead and copy this apostrophe. And basically we're going to want to split the text based off of that apostrophe. So we're going to take that split text, drag it into the repeat, split on custom, and paste in our apostrophe. Click done. We should be able to run it and see, yes, we do get Chris Pratt's first name by itself, and on the second slide, it's birthday. And now we only want to get the first item. So we're going to add that to our repeat. So we're going to grab his first name. Or, sorry, grab Chris Pratt, just his name. And now we're going to split text again and basically split on spaces. So this way we can separate his first name from his last name. So again, we're going to get the first item from the list, and that'll get us his first name. And then if we do it again, we can get the last item from the list. And that should get us his last name. So change that to last item, and then what we're going to want to do is hold down on that item from list instead of clicking on it, and then click select magic variable. So this will let us select any variable. So we can change it to that split text we did above, and so this way we're going to get the last item from the split text. And it'll just say Pratt for now because that's the last thing in our repeat. Cool. So now that we have all that, we can extract the contact. So we're going to go ahead and search for find contacts. I'm going to add a filter. And this filter is basically going to be for first name. And we can use that variables thing to select our magic variable and go back and find that get first name from split text. And then we're going to do it again, except for last name. And then we're going to go back and select that get last item from split text using that same magic variable. And this way, we should be able to extract the contact. So if we run it again here, we'll see that we do get Chris Pratt's contact. Cool. So now all that's left is to message Chris Pratt. Oh, I'm going to add a quick limit first, though, and change it to only one contact, so that way we don't get all of the Chris Pratts in our contact book. And we're just going to search for messages real quick, go to send message, so that's what we want to do. And here, drag it into the repeat, and we're going to mess with that recipients box, and we're going to change that to, again, our magic variable for our contact. If we just hold down on it, select magic variable, and click contacts, we should be good. And instead of sending the contact to the contact, we want to send happy birthday to the contact. So we're going to clear that, type in happy birthday, and as soon as we run this, we should be good to go. So let's click run. It's going to go through the whole thing. Boom. Oh, we see 2 is empty. Why is that? Well, Chris Pratt doesn't have a phone number. Let's fix that real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bad with keyboard. Now we ran out of numbers. Backspace that. Alright, that's a valid phone number. So let's go back. Let's go back to Chris Pratt. In the shortcuts, we should be able to run this, and boom, we can send a message to Chris Pratt saying happy birthday. And now that we've created this shortcut, we can actually have it run automatically each day. We go into automation and click on the little plus button, we can click Create Personal Automation. This allows us to check a number of triggers, and we're going to set time of day. So we're going to set it to around 8 a.m., at least that's when I wake up. This way, every morning I can get reminded to basically run the shortcut and have it automatically choose or automatically send a message to all of my contacts that have birthdays that day. So we click Add Action, and we're basically going to search for shortcut. And if you scroll down a little bit, you can find Run Shortcut. And we're going to go ahead and select our Happy Birthday shortcut. If we click Done, we should have a new automation that automatically wishes everyone a happy birthday.